In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello stickers. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing projects, tracking tasks, and collaborating with your team. But did you know you can add stickers to your Trello cards to make your board more visually engaging and fun? Stickers are a great way to highlight important tasks, add a touch of personality, or simply make your workspace a little more enjoyable. Whether you're using built-in stickers or uploading custom ones, I'll guide you step by step on how to use them effectively. Let's get started. First, open your Trello board. This is the board where you're working on your tasks and organizing your workflow. Once your board is open, look over to the top right corner of the screen there. You'll see an option labeled Show Menu. Go ahead and click that to expand the sidebar menu on the right-hand side of your screen. Next, in the sidebar menu, you'll notice an option called Stickers. Click on that, and this will open up the Stickers panel where you can see all the built-in stickers that Trello offers. These are pre-designed stickers that you can use right away without any setup. Take a look through the available stickers and select one that you'd like to use. Once you've decided on a sticker, click and hold your mouse button down on it. Now, while holding the button, drag the sticker over to the front of any card on your board. You can pick any card you like. It might be a card that represents a high-priority task, or something that just needs a little extra attention. When you've positioned the sticker on the card where you want it, simply release the mouse button to place the sticker. And there you go. The sticker is now on the card, adding a nice visual touch to your Trello board. If at any point you want to remove a sticker from a card, just hover your mouse over the sticker. When you do this, you'll see an option to remove the sticker appear. Click on Remove, and the sticker will be deleted from the card. It's that simple. Now, if you're on a paid Trello workspace plan, you have the option to upload custom stickers. To do this, go back to the Stickers panel, and you'll see an Upload option. Click on it, and you can upload your own designs to use as stickers on your Trello board. This is a fantastic way to personalize your workspace even further with logos, icons, or anything else you'd like to include. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use stickers in Trello to make your boards more engaging and visually appealing, whether you're using built-in stickers or uploading custom ones. It's a quick and easy way to enhance your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.